So if you move on to the next question, I would like to ask you, how well organized do you find the content at Tears for You? How do you feel about the summaries and the documents provided, or all the Q&A sections attached with each, I guess, learning video? How do you like the setup of the platform?
Yeah, I like it. I like the integration of AI as well. But yeah, I mean it's organized and the notes are with the videos and that's in your mod like there's all of the different modules and then the one that you're working on has the everything that you need for that module. Um yeah, it's well, I think.
Awesome. Thank you so much. I agree with you as well. Um, How do you structure your learning around it? Do you do the summaries or do you do the videos more or do you recap later or what is your learning style? How did you structure that for yourself?
Um So yeah, I have a routine where I look at the documents first, the slide, to get an overview of what I'm going to be learning in the videos. And then I get my notes template ready and I watch the videos and I take notes while I'm watching them. And then for the hands-on, I'll either code along with it, or sometimes I might need to go back and then do that part separately. And then I'll take screenshots of the code because those screenshots get added into the notes. So I can look back at my notes if I forget something and then see like, oh, that's the information that I got from that section of, so even the notes are divided into sections. So it's very organized and that's what my coach told me to do. So so yeah, it's organized and I mean that's my process.
Thank you.